Oh, I feel like we're gonna die.
Yeah, they just took us out of the tornado watch and now we're back in it, bro.
Yeah, because there was actually a tornado and someone got
A tornado is forming. Bye. But we going shopping.
I tried to be in the hall, bro.
I don't have no games. I'll put here.
I have Lego out of this thing.
But it's been pretty lit. But I forgot my shirt, so like I don't know if the tornado kind of mad at me because like I ain't trying to get dressed. I can't even open the thing, but I'm trying to get dressed up because like
You gotta get that dress code violation, bro.
Okay, so what happens in this next segment is Oscar grabbing a bunch of food because he realized it was free.
Like that, she said you wouldn't have to make one. She made her. She said you wouldn't have to.
There's a tornado out there. You usually get this, bro. What are you talking about? I usually get 2 drinks, a chicken sandwich. I usually get this. What are you talking about? But I definitely get this.
what are you doing, bro? You need some help.
It's wet, that's why. What'd I tell you?
Nothing.
I don't wanna make the girls go crazy.
I'm not gonna point on people. Let's go.